Yeah. Uh-huh. Look. 46? It was 39. Hey, 46 degrees. Pouring down rain. And they said by Friday, the snow level is going to be down to 2,000 feet. We're at 2,400 feet here. So, if they're right, I'm going to wake up Friday morning with snow on the ground. That hasn't happened in years. Probably decades. I have to pee. So, yeah. And this fucking heater in this car doesn't work. Remember, last year I had to bypass the heater because it was leaking coolant down into the floorboard. So I bypassed the heater core. So now I don't have a heater in this car. And then I have a heater in my other car. Works great, but the car runs like shit and I can't drive it. So I'm stuck with one car, driving this car. And this car has a V8. Gets shitty gas mileage. I mean, I guess it's alright, but it could be worse. But it gets shitty gas mileage. And no heater. And listen to the sound of the falling rain. Oh. Where's the microphone? There's a microphone on this fucking thing. Right. It's focusing on the window. Try to make a video with this fucking phone, but the audio and the video doesn't match anymore. So I can't use that, so now I gotta use this one. 3 minutes? And I ain't making a 5-minute video with this thing. Besides, nobody's watching my videos anyways, except for Skeezy J and Steve Dilly. You know who you are. There you go. Well, it's not a bad camera when it focuses. Like I said, not a bad camera when it focuses. Oh well, that's enough. Fuck you.